Hi guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. I just want to get on here really quick and do an introduction to my first video of the year, and that is my room transformation of my bar slash game room. We had this room for 3 years now since we've gotten the house, and it's just become a dump room for the last 3 years. So I really wanted to transform it into kind of like a liquor room slash storage where we can store the liquor and coats and games so that we can host better for our guests. And yeah, let's get on to it. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like this video. Leave some comments below for any future video ideas that you would like to see. My channel is on organization and DIY projects that I like to do throughout the house. And stay tuned. Let's get on to the video. So I'm just realizing that I only shopped at Walmart for this room transformation, and I only bought 3 key things, which you see here are the rug, the floor lamp, and this Better Homes and Garden 25 cube organizer from Walmart. That was $158. This is the duplicate of the IKEA version that's called the Kallax. That is retail for $179, but you have to pay $200 shipping. So you would have had to pay $378 for IKEA to deliver to your house, but I got it from Walmart for $150 with free shipping. Now the first step is obviously to clean out the room. So there's so much hoarded stuff. This box that you see here is from our wedding since August, and we have our tennis bag, and we have, oh, here's my moment of pause because I had to sort through all this paper trail stuff. And then at this point he was asking me what to do with his vase, and I'm telling him to just put it to the corner where the other vases are. There was a wand that was just in my hand, and yep, clean out the room. And then now he is vacuuming a little bit or whatever he was doing, and then we put together this floor lamp. Now here's the fun part. The Walmart rack. It's really a puzzle, and it just takes patience, but it's pretty simple to put together. I've put together many of these in the past. There are just a lot of pegs and a lot of these screws that you just put together like a grid-like form. Very doable to do on your own. And then he came in after his basketball coaching, and he helped me put together the frame of it, which is the harder part because he had to align every single peg into like a lockdown mode and make sure there are no gaps. And then it's secured with screws that you use an Allen wrench for. And then here I am adding felt pads to the bottom so that it does not scratch our hardwood floors, and then lifting it without hurting myself. So he lent me a hand too, and I could have easily wiped things down, but I used a vacuum instead to pick up some of the dust and specks. And then I got these cubes. Make sure that you get 12 by 12 to fit into these racks, because I made the mistake of getting a smaller size cube storage pieces, and I had to make a return later. And then I'm just having a jolly old time organizing all the liquor that we've hoarded, and now that we have a space to actually display all of them. And he left me alone at this point because he knows I like to organize a certain way. Now onto this bar and mirror unit. I found this mirror. This is listed for $4,000 right now online. We got it for less than $50. And then this white modern bar is currently on Amazon for $240, and I also got it for under $50 on Craigslist. So these are scores I've collected over the last 3 years on Craigslist. Same thing with this side table, and also this grapevine wine rack on the left. All collected on Craigslist throughout the years. And here's our finished product. I'm so happy. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, see you guys.